Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Guerlain Abeille Royale Intense Repair Youth Oil-in-Balm, a product that promises to comfort and revitalize dry or weakened skin. With a focus on high-end skincare, this luxurious balm combines the nourishing properties of oil with the rich texture of a balm to target skin repair. Guerlain's Abeille Royale collection has long been praised for its premium formulations, and this oil-in-balm is no exception. It's designed to provide instant comfort while helping to restore the skin's vitality and radiance. The key feature here is the blend of nourishing oils, which are meant to create an optimal environment for skin revitalization. Now let's see how it holds up when put to the test. When I first tried the Guerlain Abeille Royale Oil-in-Balm, I noticed the luxurious, creamy texture right away. It's not too heavy, but it has a rich consistency that feels like a treat for the skin. I applied it in the evening as part of my night routine, and the product melted into my skin beautifully. The balm is quite hydrating, and I could feel it working immediately to soothe dry spots, especially around my cheeks and jawline. One of the first things I loved was how quickly it absorbed without leaving a greasy residue, which is a common problem I've had with some oil-based products. It didn't feel heavy, which is crucial for me as someone with combination skin that tends to get oily by morning, but it still gave me that deep, comforting moisture that dry skin craves. The fragrance is subtle, not overpowering, which I appreciate, especially when using skincare products overnight. The balm didn't just feel nice, it also lived up to its revitalizing claim. I woke up with smoother, plumper skin, and my skin appeared more refreshed, even after just one use. It was like my skin had been given a much-needed reset. I used it for a few more nights, and I noticed that it continued to help strengthen my skin's texture, making it feel less rough and more supple over time. In terms of pros, the texture is an obvious standout. It's rich, yet it absorbs easily and provides deep hydration without being overly heavy. I also love the clean, elegant packaging, which gives it that luxury skincare vibe. The product feels like a true skin therapy, especially if you're battling dryness or dullness. On the flip side, I'll mention the price. Guerlain's products are premium, and this one certainly falls into that category. While the quality is excellent, not everyone may want to splurge on a balm for their skincare routine, particularly if they're looking for something budget-friendly. It also might not be ideal for those with oily skin, as it is quite rich. When it comes to value for money, you're certainly getting what you pay for here. This is a high-end skincare product that does deliver noticeable results. However, the price tag may make you hesitate, especially when there are more affordable alternatives that can hydrate and soothe without the luxury price. Comparing it to similar products, this balm stands out with its unique oil-in-balm formulation. While other balms I've tried have been great for dry skin, they often feel either too heavy or not as hydrating. This one strikes a nice balance. If you're looking for something more affordable, you might want to check out other brands offering nourishing balms or oils, though they might not have quite the same high-end ingredients. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and feels durable, reflecting the product's luxurious nature. The balm itself has a long shelf life, and I haven't noticed any degradation in texture or scent over time. As for customer support, I've never personally needed to reach out, but Guerlain has a solid reputation for excellent customer service in the beauty industry, so you can expect prompt assistance if you have any concerns. I haven't seen any updates to this specific product, but if you've been following the Abeille Royale line, you know that Guerlain frequently enhances its formulations. That's something to keep an eye on for future releases. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are some more affordable options out there that deliver great hydration, such as CeraVe's Healing Ointment or Dr. Jart Plus Ceramidin Cream, which works similarly to hydrate and nourish without breaking the bank. So is this product worth it? If you're someone who loves luxury skincare and wants to treat your skin to the best, then yes, the Guerlain Abeille Royale Intense Repair Youth Oil-in-Balm lives up to its claims of revitalization and comfort, especially for dry or sensitive skin types. If you're on a budget, it might not be the most cost-effective option, but the results speak for themselves. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the product link in the comments or description box if you're interested in giving it a try. If you've already used this product, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.